going to Tree Garden and another place, and he is telling me, sir, you don't know English language. I told him, yes, I know some English. The people who are living in Bangladesh, then they are going to India. They are telling, we know some English, some English. But the children of India, they are speaking English very nicely, very powerfully. Okay, so I think we need English is the second language in Bangladesh. Okay, in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the students are studying in any classes in schools. They does not know English language. They can't speak English language very nicely. Why? But when they are going to any house, they talk to English language. So we need English is the second language in Bangladesh. Do you understand my speech?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Hope you understand.
There are various reasons to
Okay.
expert.
So, dear viewers and ladies and gentlemen, so we have a short break. And we'll come back.
একটা গন্ধ রয়েছে ঘরটা জুড়ে নাম